We're here in the other side of the park, wherein a lot of people partying, relaxing. There's even a group there playing volleyball. And in this side, it looks like there's a birthday party going on. Right there, they're setting up. On this side, there's a playground. Ayan, nag-set up sila. My birthday party.
Hi, Daddy. Mama!
So pag magbe-birthday, kailangan magpa-reserve din. Okay. So, other side of the park tayo today. Nasira yung mga tablecloth nila. Super hangin. Oh, that's nice. Birthday party. So, iikot lang tayo dito na side. Malayo tayo sa dagat this time. Iikotin natin to. Most of the time, doon ako sa kabila naglalakad. Today, sisilipin natin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang nandito. So, may dala tayong tubig with the cabinet para may panglaban tayo sa init. Naka-sombrero, naka-jacket para iwas sunburn. There. I'll flip the camera now. Yes, so habang lalakarin to, doon tayo mag-end sa beach side. Nandoon yung mag-aama ko. May trail din doon. So, pili ka lang. There's a lot of trails in this regional park. You just decide which way you wanna go to. We're here at Pinole Regional Park. Late noon. I apologize if you can hear my breathing. I cannot walk every day because I have to watch my two girls, my two children, young children. No time to go out for myself only. So I can come here every weekend with my family, but right now they're at the beach, splashing and enjoying the water. So this is my only opportunity. I can walk by myself. So we came that way. So this is really huge regional park. So dinadayo, lot of people are coming here. Yeah. So kahit yung mga hindi taga dito na neighborhood pumupunta, nag-i-enjoy maglalakad. Yung iba nga nag-horse riding dito. So good thing every corner of the trails there's a restroom wherein you can pee or do your thing. So you don't need to worry about staying here whole day as long as you have your water or drink so you don't get dehydrated. Whew. If you need travel insurance, international airline tickets and domestics, hotel rooms, we can help you. Just message me. Yeah. So maganda to lakaran kung may mga alaga kayong aso. Yeah. So ikutin natin yung buong trail. Ano to, one loop. So kung after natin to maikot, pupuntahan natin yung mag-aama ko doon sa beach. Yan, restroom. Ikutin lang natin yung buong loop. Or I gonna go farther down there. Regional track. Maintaining the area to be clean and safe. There. May nagko-collect rin dito ng basura. So, mini-maintain talaga to. Oh my God, ang lawak nito. Abot pa yan doon, oh, kung saan nyo gusto magpunta. This is super huge. So, hindi ako madalas pumupunta dito. Today, naisipan lang natin ibahin yung paglalakaran natin. I hope it leads to the beach front where my girls and husband are there. I think pupunta tayo doon. I mean, may access to. For sure, may access to papuntang dagat. Water break. So, happy Saturday, US time. On other side of the world, happy Sunday, Pinas time. Lalakarin natin to. You don't see any trees here. All trees here are eucalyptus. Eucalyptus tree is everywhere here. Yeah. Mas maganda dito sa ilalim ng trail. I mean, puno. Hindi masyadong mainit. Ana, hello Ma'am Ana. Easy Lee, hello po. So mag-shortcut tayo. Baka nauhaw na yung mga anakis ko. Walang dalang tubig sila. Ako lang nagdala. Feli Trejano, hello. Katrina, hello Ma'am Katrina. Hi. Hi.
Oh, you want some water? Okay, come on.
That poor little dog. He wanted my water, but I cannot give it to him or her. I'm thirsty also. Hello, 8 viewers. Welcome to the Borky Travel Agencies Live. Walking live po tayo ngayon sa kabilang side ng Point Pinole Regional Park. Pupunta ito sa beachfront. So far, wala pa naman ako nakitang ahas dito. Dito na trail, wala pa. Sa lahat na trails na napuntahan namin. Yung Crockett Regional Park pa lang, doon ako nakakita ng snake. Alpha, hello. Rosita, hello po ma'am. May Rose, hello po. Elizabeth, hello ma'am. Estella, Trixie Ann, hello po mga ma'am. O diba, ang ganda dito maglakad-lakad. Kasi nagre-react yung ano natin.